They literally beat this man, this victim, from dusk until dawn. It was torture.
It's the reason 33-year-old Paul Hurst will spend the next 40 years behind bars, stomping, kicking, and punching his roommate Zachary Swanson back in August of 2014, taking a pocket knife to his arm to carve out a tattoo, and when that didn't work, setting it on fire.
But this definitely ranks up there with some of the most heinous and egregious acts that we've seen in Wicomico.
Hurst is affiliated with the Juggalos, a cult following of the band Insane Clown Posse. Swanson and Hurst's co-defendant, Carrie Lee Edwards, are also members. According to state prosecutors, Hurst and Edwards thought Swanson was being disrespectful to other cult members by violating family dynamics that they live by. For that reason, they felt they needed to remove a Hatchet Man tattoo that was unique to the cult from his arm, and when that didn't work, they tried to burn it off. Edwards and another roommate drove Swanson to PRMC the next day barely alive. When detectives asked Hurst if he wanted to kill Swanson, he said, quote, "I said I wanted to. I honestly did," end quote.
From his lips to witnesses' ears, he stated his intent was to kill the victim.
That's one reason Hurst's sentence is 10 years longer than Edwards. Another factor, his extensive criminal history in Virginia. A series of assaults against family members, failing to register as a violent sex offender 3 times, and threats to bomb and destroy a building. The most concerning parts, despite at least 8 different arrests, he spent no more than 10 years behind bars collectively.
Regionally, we're glad that we were able to achieve a measure of safety for the citizens. He'll be behind bars for a very, very long time.
Natalie Chenglin, 47 ABC.